Welcome to the edge of the Amazon rainforest, the world's greatest wilderness. This emerald ocean of trees teems with life and danger, where survival demands extraordinary adaptations. For every vibrant macaw above, a silent predator lurks below. Today, our claymation journey will reveal the Amazon's most deadly and bizarre creatures, real animals with astonishing stories of survival. Join me as we peel back the jungle's secrets and meet its most formidable inhabitants. Our first encounter is with the bullet ant, a tiny insect with a legendary sting. Its venom, ponerotoxin, delivers pain so intense it's compared to being shot, lasting up to 24 hours. This agony is a powerful defense, teaching predators to keep their distance. For the Sateremawe tribe, enduring the ant's sting is a rite of passage, symbolizing resilience. The bullet ant proves that even the smallest creatures can command immense respect in the jungle. Beneath the Amazon's rivers lurks the green anaconda, the heaviest snake on Earth. Perfectly adapted for water, it ambushes prey with explosive force, then coils and constricts until its victim can no longer breathe. Its flexible jaws allow it to swallow animals whole, sometimes larger than itself. One massive meal can sustain it for months. The anaconda's power and patience make it a true titan of the Amazon. Amid the forest's colors, poison dart frogs stand out as living warnings. Their vibrant skin advertises potent toxins, acquired from their insect diet, making them deadly to predators. The golden poison dart frog is so toxic, one can kill 10 men. Indigenous hunters use these toxins on their darts, harnessing the frog's chemistry for survival. These tiny amphibians show how danger and beauty coexist in the Amazon. In the Amazon's dark waters, the black caiman reigns as an ancient apex predator. Growing up to 16 feet, it blends into the murky depths, waiting motionless for hours. With a sudden burst, it seizes prey, fish, monkeys, even anacondas, using immense jaws and a deadly death roll. As a keystone species, it helps balance the ecosystem. The black caiman is a living relic, guarding the waterways with prehistoric power. Danger in the Amazon isn't just on the ground. Look up for the Amazonian giant centipede. Over a foot long, it hunts with venom-injecting fangs and shocking agility, even snatching bats from mid-air. Its venom paralyzes and kills prey much larger than itself. This relentless predator dominates its niche through ferocity and innovation. In the Amazon, even the crawlies can be kings. The electric eel prowls the Amazon's murky waters, armed with a shocking defense. It senses its world through a low-voltage field, but can unleash up to 860 volts to stun prey or deter threats. Specialized organs act as thousands of tiny batteries, delivering powerful jolts. It can even leap from the water to maximize its electrical attack. The electric eel turns electricity itself into a tool for survival. Few creatures inspire fear like the Brazilian wandering spider, the world's most venomous spider. Unlike web builders, it hunts on the move, aggressively seeking insects, lizards, and mice. Its bite delivers a potent neurotoxin, and its defensive display warns intruders to stay back. Its wandering habits bring it into homes and fruit shipments, making encounters with humans all too real. In the Amazon, danger can be fast, aggressive, and hiding in plain sight. Our journey through the Amazon's shadows ends here. Each creature we met is a master of survival, shaped by relentless evolution. Their deadly abilities are vital to the balance of this intricate ecosystem. The Amazon's power is matched only by its fragility. Protecting it is our shared responsibility. Thank you for joining this adventure. Until next time, stay curious.